When you open up Ace Studios, it looks like an audio software, right? There's no video layer, no video preview, but have a look. We are going to drag and drop a video just in here. And right after that, it creates a video layer and the video preview, which we can make even bigger. And it starts uploading your video, which goes pretty fast. The reason why it uploads the video is so it can really analyze it, like cut by cut. It will analyze every scene, every movement, and that's how you can add sound effects and music perfectly to your video. Now, if you click on your video layer, you can just press Compose with Agent, and it will open up this chat window here where you can prompt music for video, and we will use that to create a background song. So there are two options. The fast one is just create a background music, lo-fi, but energetic for this tech review. So this is one option, but what I love to do as well is open up ChatGPT. So if you install ChatGPT on your Mac or Windows, you can just open up the fast access by pressing Option and space, and it opens up right here. And I can just say fine-tune this audio creation prompt like this, and here this way we have a really detailed prompt. Maybe we don't need it, so let's just try the short one actually. I would say let's go. In the meantime, you can see we can easily play back the video. So here it is. It took around 2 minutes. 360 explained in 60 seconds. It captures 8K 60 FPS HDR panoramic video. 2 cameras with a... Oh my god, I like it. It's so cool because if I look for music and for lo-fi energetic music, I often have to go through a few options to find the perfect one, but this sounds so good. Now, obviously it's just too loud, so we just open up the details right here, and over here we can just lower it. I usually lower my background music to around -25. It captures 8K 60 FPS HDR panoramic video. 2 cameras with a 1/1 point. Around that. It's so cool. But that's not all. Let's focus on music first, because we can do sound effects and everything as well, but focus on the music because we can adjust it pretty well. If I just right click it, I can see some AI tools. There's an even easier way to access the AI tools. It's down here. So we could, for example, use more tools and even use a stem splitter, which means we want to split this song into all the different stems. Especially for this one, it's 6 different stems. And now let's see how that works. Okay, it seems like it's done. Have a look at the drums. 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers sharp details. Instead of capturing just one angle, They are pretty nice actually, but if you think they are too much for background music, you can now just mute them. Just one angle, you capture everything and can choose the final perspective later. Tiny planet, tunnel shot, ultra wide field of view, whatever. And they are gone. So you have perfect access to all the different stems and can adjust the song as much as you like. You also have this master layer, which is the song splitted into different stems. So you can just keep this master layer. You don't have to adjust anything here. Now, we saw a lot when it comes to music, right? But what about sound effects? Let's just start a new chat right here and click on the video and say sound effects for video. I don't know if it will work, but let's just say add sound effects that match to the video. Add parts where you think sound effects are a good idea. We leave the whole sound design to AI. Let's see if that will work out, but usually the way is to generate sound effects on specific parts of the video, which we will do right after that. Whoa. Okay, it's working a lot and it's going faster than expected. Now you see how it step by step places everything. Let's see. DJ Avada 360 explained in 60 seconds. It captures 8K 60 FPS HDR panoramic video. 2 cameras with a 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor deliver sharp details. Instead of capturing just one angle, you capture everything and can choose the final perspective later. tiny planet, tunnel shot, ultra wide field of view, whatever you want. You can either use it with usual controllers or with the goggles in combination with RC Motion 3 or the FPV Remote Controller 3. Tracking is easier too, just lock the subject and lean back. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and full propeller guards allow you to safely fly closer to people, objects and tight environments. In single lens mode, you can even use it like a traditional drone. Okay, I just went through it and I have to say, half of the sound effects actually match pretty well and we can keep them. But even though we use AI, let's still be creative, right? So I will delete all the sound effects and will show you the proper way on how to use the video composer. For example, here, when it comes to the waterfall, we just select the area where the waterfall actually is visible. And here on the right side, we can say, add a sound effect with AI. And now we describe the sound effect, small, no, it's not really a small waterfall. It's a waterfall, what else could I say? It's a waterfall in the mountains, actually. So it doesn't add any jungle vibes to it, right? It doesn't have to be a loop. The prompt influence it's so cool that we have it, because if we put it too low, it will analyze the video and use more AI logic. And if we say high, it uses more the prompt than the AI logic. And since this is a waterfall, we can set it to high, so it 100% knows what we mean. That was super fast. Okay, 60 FPS HDR panoramic video. 2 cameras. Yeah, actually that works. Let's just make it softer in the beginning. Now, one thing I want to try before we do any human voiceovers is just an emotional sound effect of a human. So for example, this mountain biker, let's try if we can actually let him cheer or something. Mountain biker is cheering while doing a jump. Man. Excited. Okay, let's set the prompt influence to medium and just generate it. It's lots of fun to play around. Allow you to safely fly closer to people, objects, and tight environments. Yo! That's so much fun. And the thing is, exactly at the cut, it added this hey in the end. So that worked pretty well. But what if we have a more cinematic video instead of an educational video, and we want to add cinematic music and even voiceover? Let's try that. So this time we're using a short form video that already has some music. If you want to remove the music, you just right click it and say detach audio. And here it is. Now you can just mute it, for example, but we will keep it for this one. Now, have a quick look at the video. Did it already? Yeah, it's already ready. Now, let's add a voiceover. In the beginning, I wanted to say, welcome to Central America. So what we're going to do is we highlight this area, we use this button, and here we can choose vocal. We say, welcome to Central America. And the style should be epic, cinematic, and should be male voice. Generate. Actually, I changed the text because I didn't want welcome to Central America. I wanted Central America from above because it's a drone video. Listen to this. Central America from above. Yo! We can actually adjust this vocal by right click, AI tools, voice changer. And here we can first of all, for example, select a different voice. Just click on the image. Let's just use Felix. We can even adjust the voice by semitones and pitch correction. Nice. And now let's remove the reverb and the harmonies. Let's convert it. So we hopefully don't have like a choir or this intense reverb. Oh, that was fast. Let's try. Central America from above. Okay, yeah, sweet. But it's still, you can see it's not a real voiceover, it's more like a vocal as we selected it for a song, which is funny. I will just try it one last time, saying Central America from above. Or this is Central America from above. Voiceover of one single male documentary style. Generate.
This is Central America from above.
Okay, that sounds better. It's still a vocal more than a voiceover, so it's an audio software, right? So we can create some really cool vocals. This software actually is lots of fun, and instead of looking for many different sound effects, you just prompt them, you select the exact area, and you can then move them, make them shorter, adjust the ease in and ease out easily in the software. Now, when it comes to exporting, you cannot export a full video in this app. So what you usually do is export the whole audio and put it into your timeline in Adobe Premiere, for example, where you can adjust it again and make the final export. So this is one more step in a workflow, but it gives you a control beyond everything what Adobe Premiere, for example, could do when it comes to AI sound effect generation, AI music generation, and this perfect control for it. So if you're looking for a tool that completely replaces your creativity, this is not what it's made for. It's to make your creativity actually come to life, because if you have an idea for a sound effect, you can actually add it. If you have a vision for a song, you don't have to waste hours looking for the right song. You just select the area or select your whole video and prompt your song. And I'm so happy to see this, not as a tool that replaces creativity, but that helps you make your vision come to life. You can see it's still in its early versions, but it does what you want it to do. So if you want to try it on your own, you can find it linked down below in the description, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts about it. Once again, about another tool that helps you make your vision come to life. Let me know down in the comments. Happy editing!